mind if you guys film at all? Can I just have you guys stay behind the cop car? Don't mind if you film at all. Can I just have you stay behind the cop car, please?
Now, isn't that one of the most annoying things to hear? I don't mind if you record. That's like telling me I don't mind if you have a cup of coffee in the morning, or I don't mind if you walk your dog to the park and then back in the morning. Dude, I don't care what you mind or what you don't mind. I ain't breaking the law, so mind your own business.
No, on the sidewalk's fine. Just behind the cop car, we're taking the roadway. Do you mind just stepping back 3 steps for me? Don't mind if you film.
So I'm already a comfortable distance away from the scene, and this idiot literally is telling me to take 3 steps back. Now, leave me a comment and tell me exactly why you think he's telling me to take 3 steps back. Like, for real, why? Other than power tripping.
I'm going to ask you to step back because you're in front of the cop car.
You're asking me, you're right, and I'm going to decline.
Okay, I'm going to...
tell your supervisor to come over here if you want to bark orders, because you're giving me unlawful orders right now.
I don't want to. He's interviewing a suspect with his back to you right there.
I prefer not to engage with you, sir. I'm not breaking any laws. Ignore me.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, unlawful orders refused. Definitely smash the like button right now and leave me another comment and let me know if you think they're going to be tape bandits right now like Mesa.
Hey, what's your name and your badge number? No, of course not. Yeah, I got you. Yep. See, that's a reasonable request right there. No problem.
All right, so you were here a few days, and then on Thursday, he gave you these things. So we just like Auditor. And then you've been riding around since today's Friday, so since yesterday. 2 days, yeah, it's Friday morning now, it's 12:53.
So you just told them that we're auditors. They know what the fuck we're doing.
So a little context to what's going on here. This black vehicle to the right came back stolen when the police got behind it. It had a switched plate, allegedly, and they are questioning this guy, and he is answering all the questions.
So I called you earlier in the circuit, okay? That you pulled out and went up that street and turned to the video. And it says something about your, like, that was funny because I saw you at the circuit, okay?
This is definitely what you don't want to be doing, is answering questions. You don't have to answer any of these questions. Hey, you know that's a public sidewalk over there too.
He's continuing to answer question after question. If you find yourself in this position and you're in handcuffs and you've got cops standing around you asking you a bunch of questions, my advice, and I'm not a lawyer, but it would be to not answer any of them. I don't advocate criminal activity. If this car is stolen, then the police did a good job, but that doesn't negate the fact that you don't answer questions.
Man, I appreciate your cooperation and everything. So right now you're gonna be under arrest for the thing. You go to the jail and we'll explain everything there. Yeah, we'll figure everything out in a minute. But I'll just have to search you first. And I'll try to be able to get the next steps.
Hey, Sarge. No backup units tonight?
What's that?
No backup units tonight for us?
We've got enough units here.
Why is there not enough of us? Do we need 8 more again? I remember you from a couple weeks ago.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Did you see your video?
What's that?
Did you see your guys' videos?
No.
No. They're pretty popular.
Yeah.
You want? This was a stolen vehicle, obviously, right? You don't want to tell me nothing? Give a little context to my story. Hey, this is the watch commander that had that YouTuber pulled over. The one after that other stop? I'm pretty sure it's the same one.